Hi there, everybody. Apologize for the lateness of this video, but I know some of you have been having problems finding your article for the Arkansas Historical Quarterly Review assignment. So I want to show you now is how I have been able to access the quarterly review to find the articles that you need for the assignment. So what you do first is you click on the library button here at the top, and you'll go to this page here, and then I click on Research Databases. And then I click on ProQuest. And when you click on ProQuest, it's going to ask you for your student ID number. And so you type that in, and this screen here will come up. And so all I do is type in Arkansas Historical Quarterly Review. If it helps, I would spell Arkansas correctly. And then click on Search. And then this is what pulls up. And then what I would do is I would narrow my results. Full text, peer review. Whoa. Sorry, something seems to be going wrong here. Let me let's go ahead and fix this real quick. Try this again. So, one more time. Arkansas Historical Quarterly Review. Arkansas Historical Quarterly. You'll get all these results here. And on the full text screen, you'll make sure full text included. Down here in the bottom, you want to click on Scholarly Journals. And your results down to 4,000. And then all you need to do is just start going through here trying to find some type of journal article from the review. And you'll find things like this: Springdale meeting of the Arkansas Historical Association. You can't use that. But if you keep scrolling down, you get a lot of these. Right here, you get Those Unseen, Unheard Arkansas Women. If you click on full text, here's the article right here at the bottom of it. And so all you need to do is just kind of go through there until you find something. And again, it needs to be about that time frame that we've covered in the first 4 or 5 chapters. And so you'll need to do a little bit of searching to find something along those lines. If you want to go to subject, change the subject to something more about what you want to talk about, or classification or whatever. But this kind of gives you just a place to start looking for those different types of articles. And there are a bunch of them, so it's going to take a while, but you shouldn't have any problem finding something that will help, that you can do your assignment on. Here's an introduction to the Prairie Grove Campaign. This will be the Civil War. You may have. So anyway, just look through here until you can find some. There's some of the Shawnees and their neighbors, 1795 to 1870. Again, full text. This time it's in a PDF version. And so here's it is. It's a book review. I would advise against using book reviews. Actually, I don't want you to use book reviews just because there's not enough really to write a paper on, or a short essay on addressing those questions. So even on down here, you'll go to the President's Report to Membership, and again, it may be hard to find something because there's just a lot of little things in here that don't really mean anything, or just notes out of it. Here's one on. Find one here. Labor, Third Party Politics, and New South Democracy. So I click on full text PDF. Here's an article about that. So again, just read through the article and then write your review of it as it says to in the instructions. I know some of you try to use different search engines and you say, you can't access this, but this is the way that I've been able to find different articles that you could potentially use to do the report on. And so, again, all I did was go to the website, click on the library, click on ProQuest, and use that to find the articles. You may have tried different things; they may not work, but this very first one here, this Feature Database ProQuest, seems to have been the easiest one to use. So I hope that helps a little bit. If you need a little bit extra time finding an article, let me know. Again, I apologize for the delay in getting this to you. But anyway, let me know if you have any further questions. Have a great weekend. I'll speak with you soon.